To make machines that are 100% Deere, I think it starts with what doesn't change. And what doesn't change is that attention to detail that we've had for 34 years and the excellence in manufacturing. We don't have 5 or 6 different focus areas. It's excavators. Quality at the center of things here in Kernersville is first and foremost driven by the people.
The team that I'm working with here at Deere, it's tremendous. They become associates, then friends, then family. We spend a great deal of time together. Just listen to some of them or to be able to know their character and the way they move and to be able to talk with them, because that all goes into building the machine.
I've been working for Excavators for 13 years and a John Deere employee for 15 years. I would say one word that describes John Deere Kernersville is culture. I think the culture of the team is critical to our success, and the way we work together as a team will help us succeed.
I've been with Deere here in Kernersville for about 20 years now. The best part about working here at Deere is just the pride that comes with that name. Being able to step back and look at the product that we're building each and every day is just an awesome feeling.
The quality team here, they believe what they're doing. They believe that the product that we're making is the best, and they come in here every day and try to achieve that. Anytime I see a machine out in the real world at work here in North America, I take a huge sense of pride in knowing that that has been through QA, that my team has worked on it, that we know that machine's right and it's out there doing the work for the customer.
We're all on one team, we live the team, and that's our motto. That's what we've been for 34 years, and that's what we're gonna be for the next 34 years. We don't just hire you for your hands, we hire you for your mind. It's what everybody out on the shop floor comes up with, those great ideas that can move us just a little bit further down the field.
Reliability is nothing new to John Deere. I think we've provided and produced reliable machines for a long time, but I think what's key is really focusing on innovative solutions in the future to deliver and help our customers with uptime and efficiency.
Excavators tend to be the quarterback of the fleet on a job site, so directly or indirectly, excavators will impact almost every other machine on a job. I think we are in a better position than we have ever been as a product line to listen and respond to customers' needs and adapt very, very quickly.
The ability that we have to iterate now with our own design control and quickly is the thing that excites me the most. The customer can tell me, I want this, and our engineering team is delivering it rapidly. So it's very exciting to me that that feedback gets immediately put into the machine.
Precision construction really is fundamental to our strategy and our success moving forward across all product lines, and excavators is no exception. So when I think about some of the tenets of precision construction and what we are poised to deliver in terms of value set to enhance our operators' experience from the cab and our customers' business overall, I think about things that make them more productive, like grade control across our full range of excavators.
We have to continuously grow, and one way to stay ahead of our competition is listening to customer voice, implementing improvements, and always staying ahead. And to do that, you have to change day in and day out. You have to deliver results.
When I think about a holistically Deere designed, developed, and built solution, coupled with the legacy we've built in the Americas through our Kernersville manufacturing facility and our knowledge of these markets, I think the future is going to be very bright.